Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. Valentine's Day is coming up. It is so soon, like it's right around the corner. So my makeup is inspired in Valentine's Day and also like a date night out, you know, kind of sexy, kind of different, also very romantic. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram. Go ahead and follow me. I post a lot of stuff on Instagram that I do not post on here on YouTube, so go ahead and check out my Instagram. Also, in this video, stay till the end of the video because I will be doing a Valentine's Day giveaway. So I'm going to be giving away a hair tool. I am going to be doing more giveaways actually in this month, maybe like every single video that I post this month, because I will be giving away a lot of my hair tools. I've only used these hair tools maybe like once or twice, and of course I'm going to clean them and everything. But a lot of you guys really were requesting me to give away some of my hair tools that I don't use anymore. If you want to enter the giveaway, make sure that you watch the whole video, and that way you know how to enter the giveaway and the stuff that you have to do to enter the giveaway. Anyways, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty palette, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this shade to kind of just put it all around my lid. I know I put a lot, but I'm gonna blend it, so don't worry, it'll look fine at the end. So yeah, I just like to blend that very well, and then I go in with this shade that is a little bit darker. So I put that mainly on my crease, but I like to kind of like spread it a little bit, like all over my eye, but not completely all over my eye, just like more like in the crease. But you will see what I'm talking about, because with the next shade I actually just focus it a lot more on the outer corner of the eye, but this one I'm focusing it more on the crease. Actually, now I'm going to use this lighter shade first to put it right under my eyebrows, just to kind of brighten up that part of my face a little bit. Then I like to go in with this darker shade and just put it mainly on the outer corner of my eye. So I'm just focusing it more on the outer corner. As you can see, I'm even just like patting it on the outer corner. So yeah, that's basically what I do with my eyes for now. I'm gonna continue with my eyes later, but first I want to do some other stuff, like do my brows. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush my brows with this spoolie, and then fill in my brows with this brow pencil. So I'm just making little lines or hair like strokes on my eyebrows, just to make them look more full, you know, because I'm filling my eyebrows. But basically after that I just brush them again with the spoolie, and then I go in with my concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm actually using the Tati Beauty Blendiful, and I actually really like this, so I'm gonna link it down below if you guys want to buy it. But this is really good. Like I get really nice full coverage when I use this Blendiful, and what I like about this is that it's so big, so I can use it so many times throughout the week, and I end up using it like for like 5 days straight, just like in different parts of the Blendiful, if you know what I mean. And then I wash it and then I use it again. But yeah, now I use this foundation that I just got in my Ipsy box, and I actually really like it. It's in the shade medium, which is interesting that, you know, the shade medium I feel like is okay for me. I thought it would maybe be like medium tan or something, but the medium is just fine on me. So I just put that all over my face with my Blendiful again, and then I go in with my IT Cosmetics powder, which I love. I love IT Cosmetics. They are just amazing. I love their products. They're so good. I also love this brush from IT Cosmetics. It's so soft and it's so big, and I love it. Then I go in with this bronzer, because I can't finish the look without a bronzer. I need to put some bronzer on my face. So I basically do like a 3 on my face. So I go over my forehead, like right below my cheekbone, and also in my jawline. So I don't know, I just feel like that works for me, and it makes my face look more contoured, I guess. Then I go in with this blush. So I love this blush, and I always use it. It's from Makeup Revolution, by the way. I always use it because it's nice, and it has a lot of different blushes, this palette, but it broke, so don't judge me. I still use it. Then I go in with this eyeshadow palette again, and I use the brown again just to kind of smoke it out like underneath my lower lash line. So I don't know, I just think it gives you a more sexy look, so I really like doing that. Then I go in with this eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. It's so thin, so you really get a nice cat eye with it. I'm not the best at doing cat eyes like on camera, so I kind of had to step away and just really focus because it's not that easy to do that. But this is how it turned out, and I think it looks really good. Then I go in with this brow gel that I really like, and I only have a sample size because I got it as a sample, and I want to get the big size because it's so good. Then I also have another sample size of a mascara from McGRATH, and this one is also so good. I'm like getting like the best samples lately from Sephora, and I'm living for it because I mean, who doesn't love samples, right? You got to try out new things, and if you like it, you buy the big size. So I might even buy this mascara because it's really good. This lipstick, I really love the shade. The shade is so beautiful, and I think now for Valentine's Day, it's just like so cute, romantic. It's like adorable. So I'll link it down below. I'll link everything down below. This is how the makeup turned out, and I'm gonna move on to finishing up my hair. So I'm just gonna put down the clips and shake my hair a little bit, just loosen up the curls. I'm going to diffuse my hair a little bit more because I did diffuse it for like 40 minutes, not even kidding you, and it still wasn't like completely dry. Like diffusing takes some time, guys, so you really gotta be patient with diffusing. These are the products that I used. They are from Flora and Curl. So I used the shampoo and the conditioner in the shower. This video is not from today, but these were the products that I used. I also used this cream first as the first step of styling my curls, and then I used the defining gel, which is also really good, and I really like. I feel like it really defines my curls so well, like for the whole day. Then I go in with a Denman brush to just define the curls even more, and then I scrunch my hair like 1,000 times because I really need to do that so that my curls can come back to life, especially after straightening my hair. So scrunching really helps. And then here I am again, just diffusing my hair back to the regular video. But yeah, I had to really diffuse my hair for a long time for it to dry, but I really love that soft curl look, so it's totally worth it. So this is what my hair looks like if I just leave it kind of like parted in the center, just kind of let it fall and do its thing. I like to always scrunch my hair a lot, as you can see. And yeah, I just leave my hair, let it down, let it do its thing. If you want, you can leave it like that. You can also put it to the side, which is what I did. I think putting your hair to the side gives you like a more sexy Shakira look. I don't know. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Now on to the giveaway. So because it is Valentine's Day, I wanted to give away this very adorable and very nice straightener, and it's pink. So it's like perfect for a Valentine's Day gift. I mean, the hair tool is very pretty, but guys, this hair tool is so nice for straightening your hair and also curling your hair. I'm giving it away because I don't use it anymore, and I have other straighteners that I use more. But this one is really good, and I only used it once for a video, and that's about it. If you guys want to watch that video to learn more how to use this tool or like my thoughts about this tool, I'll link it down below. But yeah, all you have to do to enter the giveaway to win this hair tool is number one, of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed yet, and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Also, so you can get notified when I upload the next videos that I will be doing a lot of giveaways in as well. So stay tuned and subscribe. Number two, follow me on Instagram if you're not following me on Instagram already, so you can enter the giveaway. And so the last thing that you have to do to enter the giveaway is just comment down below and let me know that you entered the giveaway. I will be announcing the giveaway winner in my next video, and I will be DMing you on Instagram if you won this giveaway. Anyways, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in my next video with another giveaway, hopefully. So stay tuned.